Hi kitty cats. So today we are going to do my Boxycharm. And yeah, please share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Really helps me out. I don't know why, but the box there is like stuck. Oh dear. Something got messed up in here. Yeah. There's like dried gook. So, I don't know which. Wow, everything's stuck. Hopefully, it won't be that big of a leak. I'm hoping. Okay, let's see. What do I got in here? Oh God, everything's stuck. Everything. So, let me start with this box, which is, I get the feeling is where it came from, because it seems really messed up. Okay, this is the Farcelli Quench, a serum to help replenish moisture. It's $24, and hopefully when it gets to you, it won't get... Oh, wow. This is very damaged. Very damaged. Yeah, the glass all just broke in here. Look. So I'm going to let Boxycharm know that this was damaged, and we'll see what happens with that. That sucks. Hydrate and replenish. So that got completely messed up. I'll let Boxycharm know. So let's hope that the other things are fine. It certainly looks like everything else is fine. This is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. That sounds fun. I like pumpkin products because I like pumpkin, period. I love eating pumpkin. I like pumpkin skincare. So yeah, this looks like it's fine. There's the product. I'll definitely do a mask Monday with this. Probably next week for that matter. And the product regularly is $45. That's kind of pricey for a mask, in my opinion. But I'm still really excited to try this and see if it's worth spending $45 if you happen to have it, you know. Kush Waterproof Mascara from Milk Makeup. Of course. It's like taped down. I have to get out the scissors. I need a new pair of scissors. These aren't as sharp as they used to be. I hate that. Hate it. Okay. So here we go. Let's see what kind of a spoolie situation we got here. Okay. So cool. I will definitely try out this mascara. It is $24 mascara. I mean, my favorite mascara, which is the oh, my brain just fell out. The Sex one. That's all I can think. It's the Sex one. My brain just won't. I'm sorry, I can't think, but it's usually about $28, so this is a little bit cheaper. And we've got some brushes. Always appreciate getting new brushes. These are from Moda. They are the Ultimate Eye Sculptors. So two brushes. I don't know why they're called eye sculptors. They look more like ones I would use to blend my eyeshadow. They are $15. That sounds about right for Moda. Moda's pretty inexpensive. These are pretty though. But I find Moda to usually be good brushes. Okay, I understand the sculpting on this one. Sorry, I'm in my living room and the guinea pigs are in here and they get noisy when they think things are about them. I can see how this would sculpt. This, however, seems like a regular brush I would use for blending. But hey, whatever, right? And last of all, we have Natasha Denona Pear Palette. I'm rather excited to see what colors are in this. Okay. Alright. Show you guys. That's a nice little palette. 5 colors. I can do some different looks with that. Very nice, like very like fall, definitely fall colors. Like this would have been nice for Thanksgiving, which was a few days ago. But hey, still very nice. And there's a 25% off Natasha Denona coupon that they gave me, so that's nice too. Yeah, and that's all this stuff. That was everything. So it sucks that the serum was broken. I'm going to email them and let them know that the serum was broken and that I can't use it, that, the bottle completely broke and there's glass all inside. So, but nothing else was damaged, so that's a good thing. Because I was worried that the other products were going to get damaged. Have too much gook on them or leaked into them. But everything else is fine. Excited to try out these brushes and this palette. And maybe I'll do that later this week. So, and the palette is $48. For 5? Natasha Denona is expensive, isn't it? 5 eyeshadows for $48 seems like a lot to me, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm really upset about the serum, but because I could definitely use more skincare lately. But I get to try out this mask, so that's exciting. Yay! Okay. I just gotta find one of my mask brushes and I will try that later. So, yeah. And I love getting brushes. Who doesn't love getting brushes, right? Alright, kitty cats. I've got a cat looking at me from the window. They want to come inside, and guinea pigs that want to get fed. So I'm just gonna move right along. I hope that you had a really happy Turkey Day. If you celebrate Turkey Day or Friendsgiving or whatever. However, I hope you did it safely and only with the people in your home. And otherwise use Zoom. Or Facebook video chat. Because otherwise, I really don't think much of you right now. Sorry, but I don't. Like, this, I don't usually... Well, you know what? I don't consider this a political issue. This is a health issue. My daughter and I both have serious diseases that if other people get it and don't know they have it and happen to be near us, we could get it from them because they chose to hang out with a bunch of people. I have already know of whole families who have died whole families gone from this earth, from this disease, from this virus, from this horrible thing. And, you know, we need to be more careful of other people. We need to be respectful and caring and compassionate of other people. And that means wearing a mask. And that means not having parties and get-togethers. That's what it means. Sorry if you don't like that, Karen. And if your name is actually Karen, I'm sorry, I'm not talking about you. You know what I mean. Anyways, have a happy holiday. Letting you all know I will not be doing Vlogmas this year. I just don't have the ability to do it this year. In years past, I came close to not being able to do it, and I managed it. But this year, I've had a lot happen this year, health-wise, and and because of COVID too, and I don't go out. I'm going to be doing my shopping from online. I get my groceries through Instacart and Amazon and Misfit. I rarely leave the house for reals. Like, I'll go for a car ride sometimes, but that's probably going to stop because it's getting cold. And sometimes, you know, I have a doctor's appointment. Otherwise, I am in my home. I don't leave my property. So, yeah. That's the facts on that. Okay. Bye-bye, kitty cats. Thanks for watching. Mwah.